Hey creators, I'm Cynthia Gujian of Complete and Utter Mess Inspired Mixed Media Tutorials, and I'm so excited to announce my newest online class, Fun Fruit, Slabs, Links, and Hinges, will be released on October 3rd, 2020. In this class, I'll teach you to create 3 different fruit slabs: oranges, cherries, and watermelons. I'll share all my tips and tricks for evenly spacing design elements, avoiding distortion, and keeping designs crisp. Then I'll show you how to fabricate 2 different types of polymer clay links and a polymer clay 3-knuckle hinge. I'll also show you how to add findings and clasps to turn your work into wearable jewelry. If you order now through October 1st, 2020, you'll receive $5 off the class. No coupon needed. We've already applied the discount. Plus, you'll automatically be enrolled in a live 4-hour workshop at no extra charge. This is a great opportunity to create your fun fruit pieces along with me. Ask questions and have fun. So don't miss out. This is a great value. Hope to see you in class.